How to create a blog or news website WordPress tutorial. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blog or a news website using WordPress. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can open up your WordPress if you are hosting your WordPress on any of the platforms, or if you are using WordPress.com, you will open up your site dashboard. So here I have my dashboard. This is a test dashboard that I use. If you want to actually get a free WordPress website, you can go to pantheon.io, or there are already some of the other videos on this channel that will help you get a WordPress website for free. So you can get right here, and I'll show you how to get started with a free template and how to actually create a website using Elementor. So for that, once you get to the dashboard right here, you're going to go to the plugins and click on add new. Here we're going to search for Astro, and then it'll give you the first plugin, which is going to be the starter templates, Elementor, WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. And there are more than 300 plus ready to use templates available right here. And I use this one for a news or a blog website, and I'll actually show you that very good templates are available here and how we can create a website. So you're gonna install this. You can see it has 1 million plus active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. Once the plugin is installed, you're going to scroll down a little bit to find the plugin, and this is the plugin right here, and then we're going to click on C library. So this is our library right here. You can see we have different types of websites that we can create with WordPress, and we can also select our editor. So we have block editor, which is by WordPress, then we have Elementor and Beaver Builder. So I'm going to select the Elementor, and then we're going to go to the Elementor templates. These are the same templates that we're getting with our starter templates right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a blog template so that we will get the best results. Here we have some of the blog templates available. So here we have different templates, and you'll be able to see that there are free templates available, and then there are pro ones. So you can actually use a free one, or you can get a demo for the pro one as well. It totally depends on you. So you can see this is the example of a website that we can create with WordPress. The website looks amazing. You can see it has all of these different pages. So this is a pretty good website as a blog as well, a personal blog, and if you want to create a news website too. So you can get a tablet preview or a mobile view as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select any of these templates from here to get started with the blog. You can see we have blog here. Let's say I have a food blog. So I'm going to select food blog from here. And this is the template right here. You can see it's a food blog. It's actually a restaurant type website as well, but I can change it to my personal food blog. So you can see right here. Now we can upload a logo from here. We can upload an image, or we can skip and continue. Then we can change the color for the website. You can see this is the default color, and I can completely customize my website right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it. This is the default one right here. I'm going to change it to this right here. You can see now it's a little customized, and we can of course will change the images right here, the text, according to our own preferences. We also have the font. So this is the font that we are going for, and I think it looks pretty good for the food blog. So I'm going to click on continue. So now we're going to go ahead and actually build our website and get started with it. It'll just take a minute to install the theme, and we will be good to go. And here we have our website. Now we're going to actually edit with Elementor. So this is our navigator right here. You can see this is our editor. So now we can get started with the editing, and I'm going to change the name for the website. Of course, this is my personal blog, and it's called Foodies Hub. Perfect. And now we have this button right here which says make reservations. So if you want to get rid of an element, you can do that, or you can change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change this right here to click here. And in this button, I'm going to add the link to my YouTube channel. So in link, we can get any kind of link, any website link or a video link, and add it right here. So I'm going to add the link to my YouTube channel, and you can click right here and get to my food vlogs as well. After that, you can scroll down a little bit to change the style, and again, change the text here. And if you want to add any of the elements to your website with this editor, it's a simple drag and drop. And you can add intersections, we have headings, image, text editor, video, buttons, dividers, spacers. Similarly, we have Google Maps icons that we can add. Then we have WP forms too that we can add to our website. So you can scroll down to get all of these different icons. We have Pro as well, where we can add galleries, we have slides, we have portfolio, and we have Facebook page here, we have HubSpot templates, image box, and more. So you can scroll down to check all of the elements available within the editor, and you will be able to add them right here. This is going to be my navigator, so we can actually add it right here. And you can see we have all of these images added. So of course we will now change the text here, we will change the images on the website, for example this image right here. So how to change the image on the website? You can see you select the image and then you're going to click on choose image right here. So once you click on it, then you can insert media. So you will upload files right here from your computer, drag and drop. I'm going to quickly do that. And I'm going to click on insert media and the image will be added right here. Now this is the image by me. Similarly, I'm going to change this image right here. So we're going to click right here again, click on choose image and select the image from here. All right. And I'm going to change of course, the text here. And I'm going to change this text here as well. Similarly, I'll change everything on this blog. We have different buttons added. If you want to delete a section, what you can do is you can just click on the section right here and delete it. For instance, we have this space here. You can just get rid of it like this. Similarly, we have this section right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and then we can get rid of it. We can also move different elements very easily. It's a simple drag and drop. We also have style option with each of the different elements and advanced settings. So now you will actually customize your website right here on WordPress. Now using Elementor editor, it has become really easy for us to create a website. So you'll just edit it out here. Using this editor is really easy. It's a simple drag and drop, and this way you'll be able to create your own blogs. So this is my food blog right here. You can create news websites as well. The process is going to be similar, just where you select a blog template, you can select any kind of other template for a news website. So these are the kind of websites we can create with WordPress, and you can see it's a very professional website, and you will be able to then publish a professional blog of your own. Once it's done, you will be able to do all of these settings within your Pantheon dashboard as well. You can go to the site admin anytime and upload more media or create pages, or you can use this editor right here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.